If you want to know which is the best bronzer to use, keep on watching. Hey guys, so here is the first bronzer that I'm going to be showing you. I only have a little bit left, but it is NYC Sun bronzer. It's a bronzing powder. And I don't know if you can see, sorry, I looked up in here. I don't know if you can see, but my skin is kind of like has a yellow tint to it because I put foundation on it, and this stuff like is amazing. But I also wanted to try out this e.l.f. bronzer, and I'll do that in the next slide, and I'll enter a picture in right now. Okay, so I'm going to take my brush, my foundation powder brush, and just dab it all around, or swish it all around. And if I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. So I have a lot of upcoming videos, so if you guys want to stay tuned and keep on watching for that, that would be lovely. So I'm in love with this one, but since I found the e.l.f. one, it pretty much, like, I don't know, I like that one too. So but yeah, sorry, I'm looking in the mirror, my hair's in the way. So sorry, I keep looking in the mirror. So, there you have it. See how my skin isn't so yellow anymore? So, here's the next one by e.l.f. Okay, for the next bronzer, like I said, I was going to do the e.l.f. one. I bought this at Walmart for like $4. And I bought the NYC one I did yesterday at Winco for $3.88. So almost the same price. But I have to say e.l.f. is a little bit nicer. It comes in this like little case thing. It says e.l.f. And then let me open it up and show you. It's like eyeshadow kind of, but it's bronzer, and it comes with a mirror. So I am going to show you in comparison to the NYC, this one. So I'm just going to take my brush and rub it on all four sides like this. Put it on. Sorry if I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. On my forehead too, gotta get my forehead all on my forehead, my nose. Like I said yesterday, I don't know if you could tell that my skin was kind of yellowish from all the foundations I use, the liquid and the powder. And so a girl at a store, a makeup store in the mall where I live at, she said a bronzer would work. It would even out my skin tone, and I totally forgot to put it on. So she said that I was doing everything right, and so yeah. So I don't know if you can tell now, but my skin looks a lot better. It looks like it's like all even one tone. Sorry, I was looking in the mirror at the same time. I will come back and talk about which one I like better. So keep on watching. Hey guys, I'm back with the end result of the NYC and the e.l.f. bronzer. I wanted to talk about which one is better to me when I compared. They're about the same, but I do like this one better because it comes like pouch and it covers, and it also, like I showed you before, it has a mirror, and it was only a couple cents more than the NYC, what I have left of it. The NYC, I picked it up at Winco, I think, but I can't find it anymore, so that's why I switched to this elf one. The NYC was $3.83, and then the elf one was $4, so it was only a couple cents more, but I do like the elf one better than the NYC, but they're about the same. As you can tell, my skin tone, I use the elf one to show you. So, please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.